Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Thanks for joining me here today. So the colors that I'm using in this painting are Phthalo Green by Master's Touch, Peacock Pearl by Deco Art, Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. I've got Ocean Green by Master's Touch, Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft, and Iridescent, I think it's Green Blue by Pebeo, but I'll have to go back and double check on that one. It went by a little too fast for me. So these colors I used like quite some time ago, very similar colors in one of the first Dutch pours that I did, and at that time I wasn't really trying to like offer my paintings for sale or anything. I just kind of let some of my family members pick some paintings if they wanted any of them, and my brother picked this one. This was like not this specific painting, but the painting that had these similar colors, and it was one that I really liked, but I was like, yeah, go ahead, you can have this one. And I made this one just a few weeks ago at this point, and I did my first craft show, maybe a couple of weeks ago, and like I had just finished this painting, and this was actually one of 4 paintings that I sold that day. So apparently this color combination is one that people really like. I really like it, which is why I thought I would do another one. So just adding the paint colors here, and I will just let you watch, and if you would be so kind and leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. I really appreciate you being here. Thanks so much. I will be back a little bit. Okay, so here are the final results. I really just love all of the cells in this painting. The metallics in here really just help give it all those beautiful cells that you see. And I unfortunately don't have any still photos of this painting since it's sold already. I didn't take any beforehand. If you could please just give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again so much, guys. Have a great day.